Hey, it's Brittany with Emporium. This week's video is not going to be a sewing video. I have been working very hard to finish a wholesale order for Meow Box. So, I didn't get to sew anything but cat toys, but my Pusheen box and my Pusheen cat kit came in. So, we're going to do an unboxing. This is the fall 2022. This is the regular Pusheen box and this is the cat kit. This is the second cat kit I've gotten, and admittedly I have not opened the summer one yet because I was like, oh, I'll do an unboxing. And then that never happened and I was like, it's probably too late to do that now. This is my 5th regular Pusheen box. My first one was the fall 2021 and it was amazing. Love it so much. Okay, I'm gonna unbox the regular one first. I just gave the kittens their breakfast, so I'm kind of hoping they'll come over here when I'm doing this one. So first off, the boxes are so cute. So you've got Pusheen top, and then the little tail, and the bottom of the box is the toe beans. Okay, so they post spoilers, like 2 or 3 of them on Instagram, so I know a couple of things are in here, but I've been scrolling past so fast. Whoever like has already gotten theirs. Ooh! Oh my gosh, so excited. Okay, so you open the box and this is what you see, and this little card tells you what's in there, but I'm not gonna look yet. Okay, so there is a vampire cape. And this is what I knew was in here, and I'm so excited. And one of my friends ordered the box just literally because of this cape. So, oh my gosh. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely going to put this on in a minute. Anyways, there's the little cape. Oh my goodness. There's always a vinyl figure, so hopefully you can see it. It's a little vampire. And he has a donut! He. Alright, so we've got that. Ooh. A vampire goblet. Try to keep this in the light. Have to put this on my YouTube because if I sat in front of my boyfriend and opened this, he would just tell me feline obesity is a problem. Or he says it's an epidemic. I can't remember. It's funny. He always says it. Oh, it is cute. This is glass. So, try not to break that. Oh, I hear donut. What is this? A treat tote. Oh, cute. A little tote bag. Amazing. I like that. Just kind of throwing stuff. A Trinket Tray. Oh, this is cute. It's plastic. That's really cute. I could put like pins in it while I'm sewing. Can you see the little... I have the phone back a little bit further than normal when I do my sewing videos because I want to make sure you can see my table and me at the same time. We have a bookmark, super cute, and planner sticker sheets. These are adorable. I moved to digital planning because I kept spending money on planners and realizing I would forget about them for a while. In a journal. Super cute. I love this box. Okay, so we have the journal, the stickers, the bookmark, the trinket tray, the treat bag, which is a tote, the goblet, the vinyl figure, and let's see here. Oh, shout out to Cafe in Vancouver, British Columbia. We went there after Meow Fest and it was amazing. I've always wanted to go to a cafe. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Okay, so it snaps. It has a double snap. I probably look really funny. I can't even see myself. I love it. Look at it. Donut, come here, sir. Come here. Come here. He's like, Mom, you look really funny right now. Are we ready for this? Alright. Okay, so I love it. I love it so much. Can you see my little ears? You'd be like, Brittany, don't do any more unboxings. You're weird. Okay. It's a little warm down here, so take that off. Alright. The cat kit. So, cat kit. It has perforated areas to punch out of the box. So I guess that the box can like become a toy for your cat too. Oh goodness. Ooh, a coupon for Culture Fly. Sweet. And then the sheet that tells you what you get. Oh my goodness. It's a donut vampire toy. Donut, look. Donut, they gave you a donut. It's so cute. He says, give it to me, Mom. Come here. Come here. Here you go. We've got a treat ball toy. It has the little bats on it. Looks like there's an opening to put the treats in, so they bat it around. Okay, everything is in a lot of plastic. A kicker toy. Oh, we're gonna open this. Oh, this is cute. Oh, it has Velcro. I guess maybe so you can put some more catnip in it. Nice. But it's a little coffin. Do you like this? Donut approves. We've got a pet brush, which, amazing. I've been meaning to get a new brush for a long while. It's cute. It's got the little vampire. You like it, Donut? He's like, Mom, I like the toys better. Oh my goodness. A really cute little bowl. Looks like it's good quality. It's got the metal part you take out. Oh, George says, I want to see. It's super cute. I love it. I want another one though. So I have two. Little nail clippers. Amazing. A litter mat, which I wonder, okay, it looks like it has a design on it, but you can't see it very well. It's like purple on black. George, you need to stay here. There's one more item in here. Wait until you see it. Alright, let's see. It is, oh good, you can see it really good on the camera. You can't, I mean you can see it, but it's like the contrast in person isn't as good, so I'm glad it showed up. Okay, there's one more thing in here. Come here. Come here, George. It's a cape. A vampire cape. I need a cat. Come here, Donut. Oh, yes, sir. Okay, are we ready for this? It might be a little bit big for him. Oh my goodness. Donut. Oh, we got a twin here. So were you just playing in your water? His paws are wet. Okay. So anyways, hope you enjoyed my unboxing. I don't plan on canceling my subscription anytime soon to either of these boxes. No one told my boyfriend how much they actually cost. Maybe we'll do this for the winter box. I am obsessed with this. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Like I said, I just didn't have time to sew anything new this week, so I figured I'd still upload something. done it. Do you want to tell him anything? He says he'd like you to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like. Have a great weekend.